lots of people are doing good local food work, and I'm really happy to be part of the movement. It nourishes them and nourishes us financially and spiritually too.
I love seeing food go in that truck and leave this place and know it's going to see so many people and feed so many people. I'm constantly gratified by that whole process.
We do like to see an economy that is giving back to this community, and of course you can't get anything more fresh than buying from a farm that's 2 miles outside of town.
We start with the freshest ingredients possible, as many local ingredients as possible. Cooking is all about from the garden to the pan, and it's what I've stressed here for 10 years, and it's all about food.
By our contributing here, we want to buy local products so we can support our neighbors, and everybody's sharing a piece of the business and everybody's helping everybody out. That's kind of the Vermont way.